Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2 review. Is this the best budget 11-inch tablet yet? Ever felt frustrated with tablets that lag, overheat, or drain battery before your day ends? Drop a comment if you've ever struggled with slow performance or fuzzy screens. The Redmi Pad 2 might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Its sleek metal unibody and crystal-clear 11-inch display make every swipe and scroll feel buttery smooth. Deadlines, lectures, and binge-watching sessions all demand a reliable device. A weak battery or choppy visuals can derail your focus and frustrate your workflow. Imagine a tablet that keeps up with long study days, streaming marathons, and casual gaming, without adding stress or constant charging. The Redmi Pad 2 promises just that: smooth, worry-free performance for hours on end. Meet the Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2, an 11-inch Wi-Fi tablet designed for everyday productivity, entertainment, and creative use. Its 2.5K 2560 by 1600 display with a 90 Hz refresh rate delivers crisp visuals and silky smooth scrolling. 4 Dolby Atmos speakers immerse you in rich audio for movies, music, and games. Under the hood, the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra octa-core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance. With 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD, and a massive 9,000 mAh battery, the Redmi Pad 2 is built to last a full day of lectures, meetings, or streaming without a hiccup. One student shared how they could study, watch tutorials, and attend video calls all day without worrying about lag or battery life. The clean Global ROM ensures a pure Android experience without bloatware. Plus, features like TUV Rheinland-certified low blue light and DC dimming make it easier on your eyes. Stick around. There's a bonus tip at the end for maximizing battery life and performance. The Redmi Pad 2 excels in both entertainment and productivity. Imagine scrolling through documents, streaming videos, and flipping through ebooks with vibrant clarity on a 2.5K display. Tech reviewers praise the combination of a high-resolution 11-inch screen and Dolby Atmos quad speakers, calling it exceptional value in its price range. One influencer mentioned, "The sound is surprisingly rich, and the display feels premium, even on a budget tablet." Parents and students love the extended 9,000 mAh battery, which powers full-day use without interruptions. Professionals appreciate smooth performance on daily tasks like emails, video calls, and light multitasking, while users report the device handles casual gaming seamlessly. Its metal unibody adds durability and a premium feel, rare at this price point. The Global ROM ensures wide app compatibility and smooth software updates. Whether you're streaming movies, attending online classes, or casually gaming, the Redmi Pad 2 keeps up with minimal effort. Which feature would make your day easiest? Battery, screen, or audio? Comment below. Thousands of users globally already rely on it, praising its performance, versatility, and value for money. Limited stock alert. Join thousands who've upgraded to the Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2 for immersive visuals, immersive Dolby Atmos sound, and all-day battery life. Don't wait. Secure yours today and experience a tablet that performs like a premium device without breaking the bank. Click now and unlock the bonus tip to maximize multitasking efficiency and battery endurance. Whether for school, work, or family entertainment, the Redmi Pad 2 delivers crisp visuals, smooth performance, and reliable connectivity, all in one sleek, budget-friendly package.